Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In our next video, we're exploring how to use shade cloth to protect your plants from the harsh midday sun. Let's get started. Shade cloths are an excellent way to shield your plants from intense sunlight, particularly during heat waves. They help prevent tender plants and greens from wilting or burning under the harsh midday sun. When selecting a shade cloth, consider the level of shade it provides. They come in various densities, typically ranging from 30% to 90% shade. Choose the right one based on the needs of your plants. Here's how to install shade cloth effectively. First, measure your area. Determine the size of the area you need to cover. Next, set up a support structure using stakes, poles, or a frame to hold the shade cloth. Finally, attach the shade cloth to the support structure, ensuring it is taut and securely fastened to prevent it from flapping in the wind. Using shade cloth provides numerous advantages. It helps maintain cooler soil temperatures, reduces water evaporation, and protects plants from sun damage, ensuring they remain healthy and vibrant. Shade cloth is a simple and effective solution to protect your plants from the harsh sun, especially during hot weather. Give it a try and see the difference in your garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!